everybody, welcome back to the channel. Well, me and my little nephew Philly, he is headed down to the water. We came down to the bushcraft camp out down here in Letcher, Kentucky at Fishpond Lake, and we got our camp set up right here behind us, and we got all kinds of folks. This gentleman right here, I forget where he's at. I think he's from Clarksville, Tennessee, I think. Had a lady named Donna right here. She's from Ohio. I got my buddy Carolina Chris. Finally got to meet him. And this is his car, and he's in the hammock asleep. But man, what a weekend it's gonna be. We just got here late last night and got set up. And a lot of different folks down through here from all over the East Coast, pretty much. I think, you know, a couple from Ohio, Tennessee. We're from West Virginia, of course. Don't think anybody was from Virginia. We might have had a couple from Virginia. I can't remember. A few folks down here that I haven't met yet. But yeah, we're gonna take you guys along for the weekend and do a little short video. I think we're gonna take the kayaks out, do a little paddling, a little fishing, cook some breakfast, and hope you guys enjoy the weekend with us. I might take you on a little tour of my little camping setup there. The wife, she won the Napier tent last year at the Great Smoky Mountain Jeep Invasion. So here is my camping setup for the weekend. We got our yaks up there. And this is the tent. It's made by Napier. And it's a SUV tent, but you know, with a cap. My truck's pretty much an SUV. But come around this side, the porch. That's Chris, Carolina Chris is set up right there. Can't see his rig, but Chris, Kentucky Woodsman, he's down the street there just a little piece. We got our cooler and our chairs, and I brought my solo stove. We had a great time sitting by the solo stove last night, hanging out. So let me get this thing unzipped and I'll show you the inside of it. Always, it's nice to have a mat with you. That way you can leave your shoes outside and keeps you inside clean. A lot of room in here. I got the seats to our hammocks. Not our hammocks, our kayaks. And brought a cot. We got a slumberjack cot, and that's where I slept last night. I pretty much keep this toolbox in my truck. It's full of camping gear. I keep a sleeping bag, military sleep system, and some water, and a few tools for the truck, jumper cables, that kind of thing. But the tent, you know, it's a Napier outdoors tent, and it's got a lot of room. I've got a Lucy light. It's solar powered. You just plug it in or set it in your windshield, and then when you need it, it's charged up. Free energy. And Philip, he stayed in the back of the truck last night. I got a blow up mattress. I got a bed rug in here. Keep my shovel. I got an axe right here behind my fishing bag. And I got my gear net, which I'm a gear junkie. Everybody knows I'm a gear junkie. So, yeah, it's a comfortable little setup. Got all of our stickers in here from different places that we go and other channels. Very important one right here. Mr. Carolina Chris, I felt bad last night. He's like, where's my sticker? Where's my sticker? He had sent me some stickers, and I was like, man, I thought it was in here. I got to looking because I've got Liberty Road and Smelling Roses, Rocky's Wood Outdoors. I got those YouTube channels, and I'm like, I can't believe I don't have my favorite channel in here. Well, I got to thinking, it's a home, and it's under a piece of plexiglass in my
what used to be my fly tying area when I used to fly tie. But I started carving a little wood carving, and that's where the sticker's at. But he was nice enough to give me another sticker. Right there. I put it right there, old Carolina Chris. And he's an awesome guy. I enjoyed sitting by the fire last night talking to him and Miss Donna. But all right, guys, that's my setup, and I'm gonna get off here. We got breakfast to cook. Let me turn my lights out. There we go. Got my lights. I put these LED strips in my cap, and man, they're handy. I really like it. But yep, that's our primitive setup for the weekend. And all right, guys. This gentleman here is ZZ Outdoors, and this is his little setup. Nice little primitive setup. It's Miss Donna's truck, which is so cool. You should see the back of it. Here's my right-hand man, Philly Cream Cheese. Let's walk down here and check out the lake. There's my buddy Chris again. Sleeping Beauty. There's Miss Donna.
Good morning.
You guys haven't checked out Ugly Tent's channel. That's him right there, Kenny. And I hope I'm getting everybody's name right. There's our buddy Chris with Kentucky Woodsman. Morning. Sweet Taco. Haven't met this fella yet. I'll call him Sweet Taco for now. Here's their camping setup. Chris, he sleeps in the back of his truck too. Daggone, the four-wheelers kept me up about all night. I've never in my life heard so many four-wheelers. And it sounded like a helicopter flew over too. Really low. We're going to get our kayaks down here. These guys are leaving their yaks down here. This is Fishpond Lake, Letcher County, Kentucky. Oh, they got breakfast going this morning. Look how pretty.
Seen a turtle over there.
You seen a turtle?
Yeah.
Philip's in loving it. Him and Miss Donna were enjoying the campfire and talking last night. We were showing her pictures of all of our adventures that we go on. This is such a clear lake. Look how clear this is, guys. Isn't that crazy? Look how clear it is. Don't see any fish out in the back. There's a bluegill swimming around.
There's some over here, dude.
Oh, can you see some?
Yeah, I seen really
I seen them nice bass. This place got some nice bass in it.
I don't see no basses, man. I only seen a little tiny turtle swimming down there.
Little turtle. So what do you think, Philly?
I like Kentucky.
Yeah? You had a good time already?
Mm-hmm.
We got a full day of fun coming. We're waiting on our buddy Smelling Roses to get here. He's camped nearby somewhere. All right, guys. I'm gonna get off here and get into something else.
Okay. Let's get just a little bit more angle, right about there. Now, let's keep striking it. There's a spark right there.
I saw
There you go.
right
There you go, boss.
Now you got it.
Your angle. Once you figure out that angle, now when you're doing that, don't be afraid to do this. Change the angle as you strike. If it's not sparking, change the angle a little bit. You should be good. I don't think I've got a better. I don't think this one strikes any easier. You got here.
Here,
Put this
just
piece
do
of
me a
flint in
favor, Philip. You just here, man. Try mine. And just do the same exact thing as you've been doing with them, right?
Yeah.
Just don't miss, 'cause you'll bust a rock in half.
And that's okay. We got lots of them. There you, I saw spark.
Hold that up a little bit where you're shaved, cutting into it like. Tilt it up. There you go now, strike on it.
See there?
See there?
He soaked a good chunk of fire. There you go.
Oh yeah, I seen it.
Looking good.
He's throwing fire. You're getting the idea. Oh, it's warm, isn't it? What you're doing is fine for throwing a spark. It's going to hinder you when you go to light char cloth. You need to be coming more straightened out for char cloth. If you had a piece of something on the ground that you were like trying to light, then that action you were doing is perfect. There you go. Look at that. There you go.
I know somebody wants some. I got.
I took a couple pieces of that flint, because we just don't have no flint where I
Comfortable in your
live.
hand.
But I did find out this quartz will work too.
At some point in time, what you got to look
quartz.
for now is a little
And this is
red
very
cherry.
plentiful.
You got one?
Quartz is.
You got one? All right. Now, you want to separate it from your rock.
Oh, we got one
Put your
going
rock
here.
down.
That was quick.
And a little bit of wind's not bad. That'll help keep it going. Okay? You don't
I've
have
never
to do
done it either.
anything at all to that. Make you a bird's nest and lay it right in the middle of the bird's nest. Now take it like this and start blowing it. Right out here, away from your face. You won't. You'll see what's
Just
gonna
drop
happen.
it if it starts to blaze.
Yeah, if it starts to blaze up, just let go of it.
Move that
Just
plastic
keep
bag.
on.
It's working. I see the
Here.
smoke coming out
Up
of it.
here, up here, because there's going to be fire.
Move the plastic bag
You'll be
from
all right,
underneath
man.
it.
I guarantee you.
Just blow easy. Blow easy. And when you see it start to flame up, just put it down on the ground right in front of it. A little bit easy. There you go. And you're just about there. You got that char cloth growing really good. And it won't take much more. It's going to go up in flames. And it's not a slow thing, as you saw. It happens right now. So you got to be ready for it. Give her a blow. Blow a little harder. There you go. There you go.
You're gonna get flame before my battery dies. There we go.
Oh, it got hot, didn't it? Good boy.
There he is.
job.
You
Good
made
job,
fire
Phil.
with a rock. How about
That's
that?
your first time?
Yeah.
Good job.
Awesome.
Now you know how to do it.
Fill it. There you go, buddy.
Yeah, buddy.
Well, guys, that's a wrap for the bushcraft camp in Kentucky this weekend. We called it COVID camp. I think my buddy here had a good time.
Yeah, I did.
We met some awesome new friends and had a lot of fun. Philly cleaned up. He got all kinds of fire starting stuff and a fishing rod and a backpack. Everybody took care of him and spoiled him this weekend.
Yeah.
But we're definitely looking forward to coming back to the next one. Hopefully we can make the one in the fall, but I don't know. We'll have to wait and see. But hope you guys enjoyed the video. Fishpond Lake is beautiful. We left there this morning bright and early.
Make sure you put a life jacket on
It's deep.
though. It's deep.
That is one deep lake. It used to be a quarry of some sort. And we got to paddle around on the kayaks. The fish are so hard to catch there. I caught a bluegill, but I don't think I got it on video. For some reason my GoPro didn't turn on, because when I went to turn it off it wasn't even on, so I don't think I got it on video. But we had fun sitting by the fire and talking to everybody, and they had door prizes and a really good meal. We all sat down and had a meal together, and it was just a real good time, and some great people. So be checking all you guys' channels out. I'm gonna leave links to the channels that I can get down below, and you guys go check out their channels. They're some really good people, and just go give them some, go show them some love, and we will catch you guys on the next trip, wherever that is. So you guys take care. God bless, and stay safe out there.